Welcome to our channel, English with NS. Hi guys, hope you are fine. As you know, in the previous video, we have discussed the causative use of let. In today's video, we will discuss the causative use of get. First of all, to learn about what are causative verbs and use of let, open the link above. I will also attach the link in description. Now, let's learn about the use of get in detail. The causative verb get is used to express the idea of causing someone to do something or to cause something to happen. This can be done in several ways, such as through persuasion, arranging for someone else to do something, or directly taking action oneself. Now, let's discuss its structure, that how to use it in sentences. The causative verb, get, can be used in a variety of structures to express the idea of causing someone to do something. The basic structure is subject plus get plus object plus to infinitive plus verb. For example, I got John to write my essay. In this example, first there is a subject, I, then second form, got, then object John, and then infinitive to, then verb, write. In this example, the subject is causing someone to do something by using the causative verb, got, followed by an object, and a to infinitive verb. The object can be a person or a thing, depending on the context. Now, coming towards the main topic, let's discuss the causative uses of get. First one is request. Get can be used to request or ask someone to do something for you. For example, can you get me a glass of water, please? Please get me the report as soon as possible. Next is acquire or obtain. Get is also used to express the idea of acquiring or obtaining something. For example, I'm going to get a new phone. I want to get a better job with more opportunities. Third is persuade or convince. Get is also used to express the idea of persuading or convincing someone to do something. For example, I'm hoping to get my kids to eat more vegetables. I finally got my sister to join me on the hike. Direct action. To express the idea of taking direct action to make something happen, the structure is subject plus get plus object plus adjective participle. For example, I got my shirt dirty while gardening. The rain got my hair wet. Last is causative passive. Get is used to express the idea of something being caused to happen by an external force or agent. For example, the teacher got her students to do their homework. We got the package delivered to our office. In all of these examples, get is used as a causative verb to express the idea of causing someone or something to do something. The structure of the sentence and the specific verb tense used will depend on the context and intended meaning. In this video, we have discussed the causative uses of get. In our next video, we will discuss a next causative verb, make. Until then, goodbye. Thanks for watching. If you liked our video, please like, subscribe and also press the bell icon. Plus, don't forget to comment and share.